In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the TiviMate app on Android. First, start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping this icon will launch the store, bringing you to a world of apps. This is an important step because the Google Play Store is the official source for Android applications, ensuring you get a safe and secure version of the TiviMate app. Once you're in, you'll see various apps and games featured right on the main screen. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Google Play Store. This bar allows you to enter the name of the app you want to find. Type in TiviMate IPTV Player using the on-screen keyboard. As you type, you may see suggestions appear below the search bar. These suggestions can help guide you to the right app, saving you time. It's crucial to be precise in your search to avoid downloading the wrong applications. Once you've entered the name, tap on the search icon or hit enter on your keyboard to proceed. Now look for the official app developed by Armobsoft FZE in the search results. The app should be listed as TiviMate IPTV Player. Pay close attention to the developer's name to ensure you choose the correct app. This is vital because downloading unofficial or fake apps can lead to security risks. The official app will usually have a good rating and positive reviews, which you can also check for reassurance. Once you find the app, tap on it to open the app's page. After that, you will see an Install button on the app page. Tap this button to begin the installation process. The app will start downloading, and you will see a progress indicator. This step is important because it ensures that the app is downloaded directly from the Google Play Store, which is a trusted source. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. You'll receive a notification once the installation is complete, confirming that TiviMate is ready to use. Once the installation is done, you can find TiviMate on your home screen or in the app drawer. Look for its distinctive icon, which represents its IPTV functionality. Tapping on this icon will launch the app, allowing you to start using its features. This moment is exciting because you're ready to explore the capabilities of TiviMate. Remember, if you have any issues, you can revisit the Google Play Store to check for updates or reinstall the app if needed. In summary, downloading the TiviMate app on Android is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you ensure that you have a secure and reliable version of the app. Enjoy streaming with TiviMate, knowing you have all the tools you need at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy viewing.